guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Plus for September. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus just arrived. I don't have the glam bags just yet. They're not here, so as soon as they do, I will show you her little sister. But for now, let's go ahead and dive in here. If you guys do not know about Ipsy, it's $25 a month with free shipping, and apparently they're gonna start letting you choose one of your items, which I think is amazing. I wasn't able to choose an item from this month's box, so hopefully next month. But next month, they're having the ultimate, which I already placed my order. So next month, I'm gonna be showing you all 3 different sizes, and I'm so excited to do that. But this one is $25. You get 5 full-size products, and it goes by your profile, which I do enjoy because I love when a company has a profile. So it's tailored to what basically you want to get out of your monthly subscription box, skincare, makeup, all down to like nail polish and eyeliner and face masks, and they ask you so many different questions. So I do love that they have a really cool profile. So let's go ahead and get in here. And it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And okay, so I did redeem some points last month apparently, because there's definitely more than 5 items in here. So let me kind of figure out what's supposed to be in here versus not. So that's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So everything that's supposed to be in this box would look just like this. Yes, just like that. So let's go ahead and I'm just gonna set it off out of the way. They have a smaller card. Normally I thought that the plus was a little bit bigger. Yeah, and it went like each page went over it. Now they tidied it up to this little tiny fold out thing. This one does have pricing. So let's go ahead and just pull the top one out. This is pomegranate mask for all skin types. This guy says, removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas. This is smoothing, antioxidant, rich mask. Gently removes dead skin cells, while pomegranate and green tea helps calm inflammation and restore balance. And that's what the actual product looks like. Is there a safety seal? Yes, there is. So I don't want to open this just yet. I like the sheet masks better than like these type of masks. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this product just yet, but this has a value of $36. So this alone is already way over the price of the entire box. So item number 1, let's go ahead and pull out the second one. This is Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I don't know if I have this one or not. I'm gonna have to look. If I don't, then I'll go ahead and hang on to it. If I do, then I will share it with one of you guys. So this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder, valued at $22. So there's the outside mirrored image. That's what that looks like inside. And this says the ultra blendable translucent powder from formula-driven innovators. Ciate London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look all day, which is truly extraordinary. And again, this is valued at $22. Next, we have a lipstick. This is in Sailor, valued at $27. So there is the actual packaging. There's that. And you guys, that does look kind of pinkish. And I'm not a huge lip wearer, so that one I think I'm gonna go ahead and hold and save for one of you guys to enjoy, because I don't think that I would really use that pink color, but it looks very pretty. Just I'm not a huge lip wearer. So I'll go ahead and hang this, hold on to this for one of you guys. And this is again, $27. So the next thing is Ofra Madison Miller Midi Palette Miller Squad. Multitaskers rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from Ofra Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller, a new mama, is all about that to-go glow. To-go glow. Say that 5 times fast. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend, this rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Tip, make the most of your palette by dipping a wet brush into the pigment and use as an eyeshadow. So the top has a mirror. There is that. Those are very pretty colors. Let's see here. I can see me using these two like on my lower lid. But there's that right there. Okay, you guys, so the last item in here is a palette. And it says special edition, not for sale, Ipsy. So this is actually an Ipsy special edition. So that's really cool. And it says Berlin Underground. There's the colors. This is valued at $37. This 15 shade palette features metallic, matte, and duochrome hues. Let's see. So it does have a full mirror on top. And then here are the actual colors. Those are definitely some different colors. Let me go ahead and get my fingers in these for you guys. Okay, so there is the complete palette. Of course, you know I love this color. Even though blues don't really look good on me, they're still my favorite color, so I always love them. So again, there is the palette. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in my plus box for this month. Go ahead and comment down below. Did you get any of these items? Did you like any of these items? Do you get the plus? Are you on the fence with the plus? Give me all the details down below. I will have the total box value right here for everything when I can add it up. But again, this palette alone is $37 and this entire box is only $25. So almost everything in here is over the value except the Ciate. The Ciate is $22, but everything else, each individually, is over the price of the entire box. So I always will say I love my Ipsy no matter what. I can't wait for next month to do the ultimate and see what that's all about. So stay tuned for that. They start that in October. Now, I did redeem on some points if you guys do get Ipsy, or if you don't, just so you know, when at the end of, once you get your box, then you can go in and you can rate each item. You can tell them how much you like it, how much you don't like it. That kind of also helps them tailor your profile, but you get points for rating each individual item, and you can redeem your points in their redemption area for the points. So I did, and what I redeemed for was this Marc Anthony 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. This is a hydrating curl cream for ultimate frizz, tangles, and defends curls with extra hold and adds shine with biotin. And I got this to go ahead and put in giveaways for one of you guys, because anytime I can get extra items for you, I love to do that because I love to give back to you guys. And I had to get this one for me. I love this lotion. This is the Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. And I do have one the same size that I got from this box like a few months back that I'm still using. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang on to this when that one's done. Now I have a backup, but this smells like an orange creamsicle. Oh my goodness, a yes, yes, yes. I also did redeem for this brush right here. This is it has little sparkles in the handle, and it's like a little blending brush. So let's go ahead and open this up. I do like the handle. It has purple and like teal green glitter inside, and ooh, it does have the little gemstone things right there that are in teal, and it has the purple and teal top. I like this brush. That is very pretty. I like that. And it says, looks like it says Miss Glam SS57, but that is very pretty. I like that. So there's that. Then I also got the Estate Eye Shade. This is cruelty free. I think I've gotten this before because I remember this color. I'm like, what's this? Money. I don't know. SCH money. Money. I don't know. Half these things I'll never say again, so I really don't care how to say them, but money is what I'm saying. And it looks just like that. It is a really pretty green color, but again, I'm not quite sure how you would say that name, but it is money. Money. So this will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Then I also got the Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY. I do have this, or else I'd be keeping this for myself. I didn't think I did, but I actually looked the other day because I was gonna order it, I think, to add on, but good thing I didn't because I redeemed for them. And it is a highlighter, and this is in the color Radiant Glow. Right there. And it is very pretty. I do like the one that I have. So this will go to one of you guys. And then I got one other item. Is by Estate as well. And this guy is a lip icing. In the color Drip. Drip. And let's see here. Ooh, it smells good. So it's just like a light pink shimmer right there. So that is what I redeemed for my points. So if you guys do get Ipsy, don't forget to go back in afterwards and rate them, because then you can start accumulating points and redeem them for free products, which is amazing. So again, that is everything that I got for this month's box and my different point redemptions that I got. So again, you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. I am kind of really loving this palette. Plus it has some different colors that other ones do not have, which is really nice and I appreciate, because you do have like the browns, you have gold, you have yellows, more of like orange or sunburst colors. So you have a nice variety. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have for you. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.